你好. Today we're going to learn how to install Chinese input on your PC so you can type Chinese characters. Alright, let's go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings on your computer. So let's go to settings. And once you're in settings, you want to choose here time and language. So click on time and language. Then you will see on the left side, you will see the option of language. So click on language. And then if you come down here, you will see you have the option of add a language. So click on add a language. You will see a list of languages appear. You can either go down the list to find the language you want, or you can just type here, Chinese simplified. And you will see very quickly two choices popping up. The first one is the one you want, the Chinese simplified China. So click on the first one, and then click here, next. All right, so here are your choices. You want to definitely install the language pack. Do not click on this one because otherwise your computer display language will go to Chinese. It will be very confusing. And you can choose text-to-speech if you want to use that function. You can choose handwriting if you want to practice handwriting on your computer later and have computer recognize what you're writing Chinese. All right, now that we're done choosing, click on install. And you will see your computer is working hard to add a language here. All right, after a couple of minutes, you can see now you have the Chinese simplified China. So now you can type characters. Let's test it out. So let's open a Google Doc. All right, so here is your Google Doc. And you will see on the bottom of your screen here, next to on the right side, you will see ENG, which means right now you're in the English input. If you click on that, you will see you have a few options when it comes to languages. All right, it's not really showing up for some reason, but what you want to do is you want to use the Windows plus space sign to change the language. For example, if I use the Windows plus space, you will see now I have a few different inputs. So you will see now it shows Zhong, which is Chinese. Now you're in the Chinese input. This is your sign to say, okay, now you can type Chinese characters. When you type Chinese characters, you want to use no capital letters, no tones, no space. So just directly put in the letters. And always typing phrases or sentences. So let's type 你好. So N-I-H-A-O as one phrase, no space at all. You will see the character 你好 just popped up here. Okay, so sometimes it's not always the first word, but this time 你好, it's the first word. So you can either choose one on your computer or you can do the space if it's the first word. All right, 你好. Let's say my name is Bei. So 我叫. So W-O-J-I-A-O, all together one word. 我叫, then confirm. And you can do, again, if you want to switch back to English, just again, space plus the Windows sign. So now you can going back to Chinese, to English. All right, there you go. That's how you type Chinese characters. All right, 再见.